Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove filler words on CapCut PC. So for instance, in your video, you pause to say something a lot, or like you think about it, or you use the word a lot, which I do quite a bit. So to remove filler words, you do need the CapCut PC Pro for this. So just stating that out there right now. It is a very helpful feature. So you're just going to select your clip. Select this remove filler words option, and it's going to analyze and it's going to identify repeats, filler words, and like pauses, as you can see here. So if you repeat a lot of the things you say, I guess it will delete it. You can choose to delete it or not to delete it. So it turns out this video is around 3 minutes. So let me just cancel it and make it a little bit shorter, because it's going to take a long time to analyze if it's 3 minutes long. So here, as you can see, you can select the kind of like pauses and repeats here. There's no repeats and no filler words, but there's a lot of pauses. You can select all to delete, or you can, for instance, select, for instance, only like this part. You can play it here to see like which part that got deleted. The second, like this one, to add the second, for instance, that part, and you can kind of move this to see the second and third pause here. Go to text thing that came up. Go to text and add in. You can also, and once you're done, you're just going to select delete. But I do need the Pro feature for it, which I don't have, but that's how you can remove filler words. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!